Hi, Dr. Erin O'Connor here from Vitality Chiropractic Center. Today I wanted to discuss animal chiropractic technique. A question that I'm commonly asked is, how do you adjust pets? Is it by hand or is it by a tool? And the answer to that question is I actually use both. I use whichever is best suited for the animal. So for the most part, I adjust manually or by hand. Most dogs, cats, exotics, and wildlife do perfectly fine with that. And another technique I have available to me is called Activator technique. And this is the Activator. It's a tool and it makes a click sound upon the adjustment. With Activator, I tend to use it in dogs, cats, or whatever animal I'm adjusting if they're in a severe amount of pain because it's a lighter force technique. I also tend to use it in animals that do not like someone really up close in their personal bubble. With manual adjusting, I need to be up close and personal, so it tends to keep those animals more comfortable. And a third area that I use Activator is in hips and knees because it works wonderfully on those joints. No matter which technique is used, chiropractic is very specific. So I go through every single joint in the body, check the movement, check the positioning, and specifically adjust that joint back into place. So no matter which technique is used, you get the same end result. And animals usually really enjoy being adjusted once they make the connection that they feel better afterwards.